This is Eric Mothith, Mother.com. It is March 30th, 2020. Let's take a look at American Airlines here, and we can see that as a reminder that we need to be vigilant about stocks that are finding it difficult to move back above the 30.9 threshold. Again, this is on the weekly, so this is a big time frame. As long as we are struggling to hold above RSI 30.9, and if you are new to this concept, there should be a video in the link of the description explaining where I get this number. But in simple terms, that number is a variation of RSI 61.8. So right now we are seeing American Airlines struggling to hold or moving back below the 30.9 threshold, and as long as that's the case, then chances are we're going to be testing recent lows, if not violating recent lows. In other words, the only way we can fix this is the RSI needs to stay and hold above RSI 30.9 if there's going to be a sustained bounce. Now, if you take a look at the daily, we can see reasons why this could be where it is starting to pull back after coming to this area on a daily closing basis. A couple of lines. Number one is the backtest line, a very clear, well defined line. And there you can see that it has come to this level over the last couple of days and hit that level and is now stalling. Now, there's also another way to arrive at the same area of potential, if not right now confirmed resistance. It is the previous RSI topside resistance line right there. What I'm going to do is extend that line. And what this line gives us is there's a period where we see, number one, we see that it connects nicely with the highs here, touching those highs and this high. We move above that area, which is here. Now you'll notice that was fake on hindsight, but even at the time, because of the uniform action above the line and back below it, above the red line and back below it, that uniform action tells you that this is more than likely a trap, and confirmation is right there. Now you'll notice that ever since that movement back below the red line, we've been coming back to that area and struggling. For example, there was an attempt here that failed, which is this area here, and now we've tagged that same area and we're stalling. It's another way of saying that as a stock, really the only way we can see a sustained move higher is if we can clear this red line at some point down the road. Don't forget, because we spent a lot of time below RSI 30.9, it means that should we come close to that 30.9 threshold, it is guaranteed that we are going to be breaking these lows, if not testing them. This is Eric Mothith, Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.